Hey, it's Goobot here. And I just finished cutting open an EveryDrop, one of the high-end water filters for your refrigerator filtering. And I've got a more generic, this one happens to be a Mountain Flow that I picked up off of Amazon. So let's see what we got in these. Spoilers! So in the water flow, you've got a single O-ring around the connection, okay? And you cut it open, and what you have is charcoal. It's compressed charcoal. Now we have the EveryDrop filter. Yep, single O-ring. Okay, so no difference so far. Pretty much identical so far. Let's see. We can take it apart. So here is where your difference is. Interesting on the bottom there. The everyday filter has a membrane on the outside. That is well stuck. It's well stuck. There we go. It's a used filter. I'll tear it up like it could be used again. And you can see underneath this is charcoal. I don't see a whole lot of difference. It's a little slightly different color. Of course, this one has also been sitting in my garage for 6 months. What this does is it filters. It's like a pre-filter. And then the water goes into the charcoal, which is what filters and takes out odors and things. And then it comes out. So let me cut this open so we can compare the charcoal. So what I did, using the Dremel, I cut into it enough where I could break it, because this, of course, is going to melt some. And you can see, I hope the light's enough where you can see other than this looking fresh, they're pretty much charcoal. So other than the membrane on the outside, which just catches larger particles, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference. So with the filters, the way they work is like the water will go in on this outside. That outside then it goes in through the membrane into the charcoal. So the membrane just gets the large particles. It goes into charcoal. The charcoal will absorb odors, and it has a lot of small little cells in there that catch things. So that's how it filters. And then it comes back out the middle hole and into through your refrigerator and out to your drink. We've seen the internals. This one, the Every Drop, is actually tested by NSF to conform to its standards. This one says filter certified when used in this to those standards. It was not actually tested by the NSF. So does that matter for your quality? Well, maybe, maybe not. It depends on how trustworthy they are. The gallons per minute are both at like 0.5. Capacity 6 months to 200 gallons right here. And temperatures, well, I mean, it's refrigerator temperature, so I'm sure those are fine. Part of the thing you're paying for here is the fact that these guys have been tested, which probably costs a lot of money. So now you've seen what's inside each one. The one thing we do know is you get a membrane with this one. This might help keep it the filter a little cleaner, so it might last a little longer, but it tells you to change them at 6 months. So that's the difference. Which one you should buy, I guess really honestly it depends on your budget. And the one thing I would say, if you're going to buy the cheaper one, I would probably change it more often. Water dispenser pressure starts dropping, you want to change it, because that means it's getting filled up with the contaminants. And or if your water starts tasting funny, that means it's not removing the chemicals and the odor like it should. So basically it's pretty much used up. So hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with your purchasing decision. I will link these in the description.